Ever wondered why that juicy steak turns out overcooked or that Thanksgiving turkey ends up too dry? The answer often lies in the precise temperature control during cooking or grilling. Enter the Meat Thermometer Digital, a tool that can be your secret weapon for perfect grilling and cooking. This instant read thermometer is designed for a variety of uses, from grilling outside to cooking in the kitchen, and even for checking the temperature of candies and liquids. Using the Meat Thermometer Digital is a breeze. Begin by switching it on and wait for the screen to light up. The backlit LCD display is easy to read, even in dim light. Now insert the probe into the thickest part of your meat without touching any bone, as bones can give an inaccurate reading. Once the probe is in place, the temperature reading will stabilize in about 4 to 7 seconds. It's that quick. The temperature range of this thermometer runs from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for all your cooking needs. Now comes the key part, understanding when your meat is perfectly cooked. For instance, a medium rare steak is best at 135 degrees Fahrenheit, while a well-done steak is around 165 degrees. And don't worry if you can't remember these numbers. The Meat Thermometer Digital comes with a handy temperature guide right on its body. Remember, the Meat Thermometer Digital is not just for meat. It's equally effective for checking the temperature of liquids like soups or broths, and even for ensuring your homemade candies and chocolates are at the right temperature. After use, simply clean the probe with a damp cloth and fold it back into its body. That's it. The Meat Thermometer Digital is waterproof, making it easy to clean and safe to use in any kitchen scenario. To wrap up, the Meat Thermometer Digital is a game changer in the kitchen and on the grill. It offers quick, accurate temperature readings, a wide temperature range, and a convenient waterproof design. It's the perfect tool for achieving that perfectly cooked steak, juicy turkey, or delectable candy. Happy cooking! Happy!